All right, guys. Victor Isibor here. What's up? How are you doing? There is a major fact that I did not put in my earlier Ubitex review that I have decided to put here now. I didn't put it in that one, not because I forgot, but because I assumed that anybody that is in crypto, they should be able to know about that risk. Okay, there's a major risk that I did not mention in the first review because I assumed that you should know. But on a second thought, I'm like, let me not assume that you should know. Let me mention it for record purposes, so that they will not say, oh, Victor did not say it. That is why I want to say it. I want to do a second review of Ubitex. Now, this is not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. Do your own research always, okay? The purpose of this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Okay? Now, I am on CoinMarketCap. All right? CoinMarketCap. You can see. Okay? And we're looking at the Ubitex UB tokens as listed on CoinMarketCap. Trading right now at $1.80. All right? Stay with me. Undiluted honest review. This is the final review I'm doing about this project. Now, these are the statistics according to CoinMarketCap. Look at circulating supply, 20 million UB tokens, and they call it 20%. The amount of UB tokens that is in circulation is 20%. What that tells you is that 80% is in the reservoir. Look at the total supply and maximum supply. Both of them are 100 million tokens. Okay? So 20 has been released, 80 is remaining to be released. Now, this is self-reported because CoinMarketCap themselves have not vetted, okay, to confirm this 20 million that is in circulation. You know, it is in the hands of different people. They have not done their compilation to ascertain that exactly 20 million UB tokens are out there in circulation. Okay, but from the information available to CoinMarketCap, 100 million UB tokens is the total amount of tokens they have, and they have released 20%. Now, this answers the question on the lips of a lot of people about their staking. Staking offering you from 0.5% daily to 0.85% daily, amounting to up to 24% monthly for their staking. A lot of people are saying, how are they able to pay such returns in staking? Okay. Now, the answer to that question is they own their tokens. They own their tokens. As a matter of fact, 80% of their tokens are still in their reservoir, in their custody, yet to be released. The tokens belong to them. Okay? At what percentage they decide to give it out for those that are staking it is entirely their business. They can even do 10% a day. It's just that it will impact negatively on their reservoir. It will exhaust it quicker. You don't ask TapSwap where they see the tokens that they are packing to give to you in your Telegram bot. You have not asked Bloom. You did not ask all these other Telegram bots where they see the tokens they are giving to you. Okay? It is typical in the crypto space when a project just launches to give them an edge in the competitive market of crypto. They give you something attractive to lure you into the project. Okay? How does Ubitex hope to compete with giants like Bybit, Binance, OKX, HTX, if they don't offer you an incentive like this staking, which I will like for you as a common man to take it like an airdrop. Since all of you know airdrop, this is airdrop. Okay, that is why they are giving it out to you. Stick till the end of this video and note carefully everything that I am saying. Okay, I'm analyzing the risk involved in this business so that you will be able to know whether or not it's a good project for you to go into. All right. Now, they have 80% of it in their reservoir. And it is from there that they pay staking rewards. And to confirm this, the staking rewards are not paid in USDT. They are paid in their UB tokens. That's to confirm what I'm just saying. That is what they pay you. All right. Now, let me further explain what staking is all about. Staking is about you offering liquidity, okay, to a project. They hold your money, they use it for their transactions, and they pay you daily returns based on the tenure you selected. It is not different from your fixed deposit in banks, where you provide liquidity by way of cash to your bank, and they pay you a certain return, like a holding fee. All right? Now, when it comes to crypto, the reservoir, that is the total supply minus the circulating supply, the ones that they have not released, there are two ways they release it. All different coins have a way where their reservoir coins are being released into the market, even up to Bitcoin. Bitcoin still has some in reserve. Not all the available Bitcoin in the world that is in circulation right now. There is one protocol we call POW, which is short for proof of work. A commoner's name for proof of work is mining. So there are some coins that fall under the protocol of proof of work, like Bitcoin. Bitcoin is on the protocol of POW, proof of work. That is why you can mine Bitcoin, which involves solving some complex. A computer will solve a complex mathematical equation and get rewarded by that particular token, provided that token is a POW token or a token that can be mined. That's why you see during mining, you will see different computers with different hash rates mining the coins. Bitcoin is, if you want to get some of the Bitcoins that are yet to be released, you need to mine. Why some other coins like BNB, they are on the POS protocol, not the POS where you withdraw money in your area. This POS is short for proof of stake. Proof of stake. And the commoner's name for this entire process is staking, like I explained earlier. Okay? Which is where you see BNB and a lot of other tokens. They fall under that one. This UB falls under the protocol of POS, proof of stake. That is why you can stake it and earn it. So they release from their reservoir to you when you stake. So don't bother your head too much about the percentage. It is their token. They determine how much of it they want to give out, just the way airdrops give out to you. Now, let me tell you the risk involved here, for you to know real quickly. Risk number one involved is, right now, this UB token is worth $1.80 in the market. And remember, they pay you their staking rewards in their native token of UB. Now, this coin is pumping, is doing very well in the market. You can see in the last 24 hours, it has done 7.29%. But in crypto, what goes up comes down, and what comes down goes back up again. That is why they say crypto is volatile. Crypto is what? Volatile. Now, in the bear market, where the giant Bitcoin will fall and drag other altcoins with them, Ubitex token too would fall in the bear market below the current price that you are used to. So if you enter at $180, for instance, now, when the bear market shows, there's a likelihood it will fall below this price. Okay? Crypto generally is a risky business. Crypto forex, risky business. If you don't want to take risk, if you don't want to take any risk, then there's probably no money-making venture you can put your money into. Now, we're not talking about legit or not legit. Whether a project is legit or not, people can lose money from that project regardless. Okay? So, in a bear market, the current price of this token may fall, which may lead to some people losing money, depending on at what price did you enter the project. I think that is abundantly clear. All right? Now, let's keep going. And I'll give you my counterpunch at the end of this video. As you can see here, this coin, the native coin of Ubitex. Ubitex is an exchange on their own, okay? But Look at MEXC, which is a bigger exchange than them. Their token is being traded on MEXC. According to CoinMarketCap, I'm on CoinMarketCap. I'm not even on the website of Ubitex. I'm on CoinMarketCap. It is being traded on MEXC. It's being traded on Hotcoin as well. Okay, look at the price, $1.80 on each of these exchanges. Okay, it's being traded. It's available. So this is not like your typical airdrop that has not launched, where if you have it, you'll be waiting for them to launch. If you have UB tokens, you can trade it on the Ubitex exchange or take it to your MEXC and trade it there or on Hotcoin. All right. And it's an exchange where you can do spot trading, perpetual and futures. Now, what is the confidence level of this coin on MEXC and Hotcoin? According to CoinMarketCap, it is high. So right now the coin is doing well. All right, at the end of this video I'll tell you why I decided to go into this project. Okay, real quick. Now let me tell you another risk that is involved in a project like this. When projects just launch, okay, they offer incentives to people so that they can have a competitive edge in the market. How do you think Ubitex was planning to compete with Bybit, OKX, Binance? How were they going to convince you and I to come and use their exchange without offering something different? Yeah, they have spot. Yeah, they have futures. What else? Binance has those things too. OKX has those things too. That is why they are doing staking. That is why they are dipping into their reservoir, their 80% reservoir, to give out staking rewards to people who participate in the staking. A lot of people like passive income. So when they see that, they see it as a selling point and a motivation to want to try the Ubitex app. So it's more about marketing and PR. Okay? Way back when Binance started, yes, there was BNB staking paying very high returns. But when Binance became big, what did they do? They toned down the reward system amount that was available for BNB staking. Because right now they are big boys, so they don't need to please you and entice you with those fantastic returns on their BNB. BNB is now too expensive in the market for them to be giving it out to people by way of staking at very high return rates. No. Because they have appreciated in value. So that is what Ubitex is doing right now. So what I'm saying now is that in essence, in future, when Ubitex become even half as big as Binance, you may wake up one day and they will tell you that they have slashed the amount that they are paying in staking from maybe the present 0.85% to maybe 0.1 or 0.2. It can happen because the major aim for offering staking rewards is to popularize the platform and bring in more and more people to come and use the traditional features of an exchange, the traditional features of an exchange, which is spot trading, futures trading, and the rest of them. Okay, so those are the main reason why they are doing the staking, and they are offering fantastic returns. Okay, so the staking is not going to be there permanently. At some point, it may go, or they may reduce the returns that they are offering. Then, like I said earlier, when the market takes a hit and takes a dump in a bear market, this coin will devalue. Okay, and it may have a negative impact on your portfolio. So these are the risks. There's no business that does not come with its own associated risk. Okay, now, why do I like this project? Now, why did I decide to give this project a chance? As far back as 2017, I was privileged to come across BNB. Then BNB, Binance Native Token, it was trading at about $0.1, I think about 1 cent, or is it 10 cents, as far back as 2017. BNB right now is well over $500 in value. At some point, it even went to over $700. Okay, so back then I overanalyzed. You know me, I like risk analysis and all that. I overanalyzed and I did not go into the project. Okay, if I had known, I would have given BNB a chance back then, because the rewards, the potential rewards far outweighs the risk. Every make money opportunity has its own associated risk. Okay? If you cannot take the heat, get out of the kitchen. If you don't want to take any risk, then forget about making money. But you have to do risk analysis and see if the future reward outweighs the risk. Now, BNB has shown us that the reward far outweighs the risk. Binance affiliates right now, some of them earn up to $500,000 on a daily basis in affiliate commissions only. BNB affiliate commissions outweighs about $100,000 on a daily basis for their early adopters of their affiliate program. If those people did over-analysis back then, they wouldn't have given the project a trial. Now I'm seeing Ubitex right now. Ubitex is an exchange. Binance is an exchange as well. Binance had BNB, native token. These people have the UB, native token. So in my head, I'm like, let me go into this project. This might just be the next Binance. That is what I'm thinking in my head. This might just be the next Binance. And that's why I decided to take the risk. And I'm involved in the staking of this business. So if you share the dream, share the vision, and you feel that this is something you want to give a try, come on, go ahead and give it a trial. Okay? If it pays off, congratulations. All right? So this is the reason why I am bullish about this project. Like, okay, this holds some promise. All right? I don't see a lot of exchanges with native coins listed on secondary exchanges disappearing out of the surface of the internet. Okay? But like I always say, this is not financial advice. Okay? Do your own research and go into this project if you like the dynamics and you have a good feeling about it. All right? Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. I remain Victor Isibor. I'm out.